in my hand I have something called a helicopter seed, or Samaras. They're commonly known as helicopter seeds, which are characteristic of maple trees, or Acer. Let's discuss a little bit about these things. Let me just hold one up for you so you can see what I'm talking about. See this? You probably have some near you. These are marvels of nature, and I believe they're evidence of intelligent design. They have a wing-like structure that aids in their dispersal, and that's where the term helicopter comes from. They have a spinning motion when they fall from the parent tree. At the top, you'll see something called the seed body, or nutlet, and at the bottom is the other end is the wing that allows them to fly. The nutlet is usually oval or slightly flattened with a tough outer layer that protects the seed from environmental stress and predation. The wing, or the Samara blade, is a flat taper extension called a polycarp. It's got strength and flexibility. It's elongated, curved with the leading edge and then the trailing edge, which is thinner. So the structure of this seed gives it aerodynamic lift. It allows it to be carried by the wind. And if you see those vein-like patterns in the wing, that provides structural support and helps to maintain the wing shape during flight. Maple Samaras often grow in pairs, attached at the nut, forming a V shape around 60 to 90 degrees apart. The paired structure enhances its flight consistency during flight, but it can fly just fine without its mate. The flight mechanics are as follows. The Samara's auto-rotation is a marvel of natural engineering. As it falls, the asymmetric shape generates lift, causing it to spin around the heavier nutlet. The spinning slows its descent, giving the wind more time to carry the seed away, and it stabilizes the flight path, reducing erratic tumbling. It can carry the seed distances of 50 to 100 meters or more, depending on wind conditions and tree height. The speed of rotation is about 10 to 20 revolutions per second, or up to 1,200 revolutions per minute. So the spin depends on factors like weight and length of the wing and so forth. Anyway, this is an amazing seed. I've always enjoyed these even as a kid. You can throw them up in the air and they will float back down. I don't know if it's hard to catch this in my camera phone, but I'm amazed that even though we have the peak of our house, so the roof of our house is about 30 feet off the ground. It might be a little less, but it's something like 25 to 30 feet. And the tree behind me is not even as tall as the peak of the roof of our house. And yet when a slight breeze occurs, these seeds will fly literally over our house into our front yard and land in our front lawn and root and begin to grow as little maple trees. Now, if I wasn't out there with my tractor mowing our lawn once a week or so, we would have little maple seedlings growing into maple trees everywhere on our property. So let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you have these in your area, or maybe even you have a maple tree on your property and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's look up into this tree. We have, I believe, thousands of these seeds getting ready to detach and blow away and helicopter themselves down to the ground, potentially far away from the parent tree. Anyway, I'd love to hear your comments. Let me know if you have a maple tree in your property, and if you're familiar with these seeds and what you think about them, and what do they reveal to us about nature and the possibility of intelligent design.